BYD seems to be attracted to Pi Network. This was the post I saw from Ma'am Jam below. Meta AI, e-commerce and retail company brands partner with Pi Network. As you can see, automotive, Mercedes, BYD, Audi, etc. And then I researched Meta AI myself. At first search, it didn't say anything. It said it's not real or something. But I said, how about BYD? Then it confirmed that the Chinese manufacturer has partnered with Pi Network according Pi Network's expansion updates. BYD along Hongyi. It's a Gemini. Google Gemini said, unfortunately, there is no credible evidence to support the claim that I believe if this will come true, BYD will be the #1 car manufacturer in the world because it has the #1 battery technology as of now.